The FGP-C will arrive fully assembled. Remove the motor, gearbox, and the head pulley bearings. Before installing the cleaner, disassemble the cleaner components. The bracket assemblies should remain intact. Only remove the blade and the blade holder bar. Any steps involving the tensioner will need to be performed on both sides. If spacers or washers are needed, place them on the outside of the pulley bearing mounting bolts. Install the bracket assemblies on the appropriate sides of the conveyor, engaging the bearing mounting bolts. Reinstall the head pulley bearings. Tighten the nuts. Allow the cleaner mounting bracket to rotate with minimal effort. Reinsert the blade holder into both swing arms using the markings determined. Center the blade on the blade holder and ensure the swing arms are aligned on each side. Tighten the swing arm nuts. Loosen the tensioner positioning bolts and tensioner collar fasteners on both sides, allowing the tensioners to rotate freely. Allow the blade to rotate downward as far as the conveyor equipment will permit. Rotate the tensioners to the full travel of their adjusting slots, ensuring the open portion of the tensioner slot allows the blade to be rotated into the belt contact position. Tighten the tensioner collar fasteners. Loosen the mounting plate fasteners to position the cleaner components. Slightly loosen the tensioner standoffs. This allows for further adjustment of the tensioner assemblies. Slightly loosen the main bearing nuts. This ensures the tensioner assemblies can move within the mounting bracket slots. The tensioner assemblies, including the shaft and main bearing, should slide with resistance within the mounting bracket slots. Adjust as needed. Rotate the tensioners to position the blade vertically. Once in position, secure the tensioner positioning bolts. Slide the tensioner assemblies upward to engage the blade with the conveyor belt. Ensure the blade makes uniform contact across its entire width. Tighten the tensioner standoffs by hand to lightly retain the tensioner and blade belt engagement position. Check that the tensioner standoffs and the tensioner shafts are level and parallel, then secure them into place. Tighten the mounting plate fasteners. Secure the main bearing nuts. Secure the bearing mounting fasteners. Loosen the tensioner positioning bolts one tensioner at a time. This will allow for the fine-tuning of the tensioner assemblies. With the blade engaged against the belt, rotate the first tensioner approximately 10 degrees up to a maximum of 20 degrees. Tighten the tensioner positioning bolt. Repeat the process for the opposite tensioner. Test the blade actuation by hand, making sure there are no pinch points between the blade holder bar, mounting bracket, or blade and the belt. The cleaner system is now installed and ready for operation. Ensure the system operates as intended and make any necessary adjustments based on the performance.